Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks, and y'all, if y'all know me good enough, you know I can't stop when I'm getting on a subject about the plastic effect. And if you didn't watch the first two, you might want to back up and watch them. If this would print on a t-shirt, it would be a really cool effect. So it's really just a double plastic effect. I'm going to hit F12 on the keyboard and bring up this, and I'm going to give it like a 4-point, no, let's go bigger than that, like a 10-point outline. And then I'll make sure it's behind fill so it doesn't mess up your fill. Now I'm going to grab, well, what we have to do is select it all because it's part of the text now. I'm going to convert the outline to an object, and then the outline can be moved. Well, it'd be easier just to grab the purple color, and you can see where the outline is thicker. So we're going to take this now and go to our effects and texture and plastic. I'm not going to change any settings. I'm just going to leave it at that. But then I'm going to take the outline and do the exact same thing. I'm not going to change anything. You could change a lot of them and just say okay, and then take these and just nudge them back. Look at that. That would, and if you changed it the way you wanted it to look, and hopefully a printer will chime in to see if that would that print on like a t-shirt. That's pretty cool. Anyway, hope that helped just a little bit, and thank you for watching.